Pengshi Magic Arms, aka a friction clamp. I've been a big fan of these guys for a while for being a reasonable cost effective brand. So you don't need the top 90% of products in order to get what you need. These clamps are incredibly versatile. They are used for holding everything from GoPros and microphones to what you'll see in a little bit is it holding up a full-blown Nikon D800. They adjust quickly and easily to a large variety of tasks. It's simple enough to use for any child, but compact enough that you can use it just about anywhere. As promised, here's the scene with the camera. The reason I'm doing this video as a voiceover is because my apps have let me down, and I wanted to show what it sounds like when you're using the microphone that will be coming up here in a little bit using to record for you. It is the Comica V30 Lite. It is a less than $40 video microphone in the shotgun style. As all the sound that you're hearing right now is coming from that, and what I'm using for a sound booth is actually my four-door car. So if you hear any of the sounds behind me, like a whoosh of a car passing, you're hearing it through the very microphone I'm recommending to you. This is quite easily one of the best small purchases you can make if you're getting into video. Perhaps not this mic. It needs to be tailored to what you're specifically looking for. But for a good starter microphone that's not going to break the bank, it's pretty hard to beat. I initially had recorded this whole scene on both my still camera and on the microphone as it was on screen. Unfortunately, my apps, as I mentioned, let me down and would not allow me to sync up the iPhone voice record notes with the video. It kept trying to lock it together at the beginning of the video, and that's just not what you need. Now, this is not the best mic out there, but like I said, it will work for just about anyone. And it is threading on to the Pengshi Magic Arm. So if you're trying to get a specific sound, like let's say you wanted to pick up the sound inside a piano, this combination of an arm and the microphone, especially a shotgun microphone, is very useful. The arm you can put anywhere, but the microphone itself, when they're shotgun style, are designed to get their sound almost exclusively through a 45-degree angle cone coming out the front. This is very good at squelching mild echoes and side noise while not leaving the environment feeling cut out. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos, and I hope that you have a great evening with all sorts of new tools.